Model, 67-plate Iveco Daily 35S14H1545 with B3000. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 212,047. MOT, the 27th of April 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 411 JC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Check engine light on the dash. We suspect this is down on compression on one cylinder. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.